Want to start investing in the stock market but don't know where to begin? You're not alone, and you're in the right place. In this video, I'll break down how beginners can start investing in the share market, step by step, no jargon, just real talk. What is the stock market? Let's start with the basics. What is the stock market? It's a place where buyers and sellers trade shares of companies. Think of it like an online marketplace, but instead of clothes or gadgets, you're buying a piece of a company. When you buy a share, you become a part owner of that company. If the company grows, your investment can grow too. Why should you invest? So why even invest in stocks? One word: growth. Over time, the stock market has outperformed most savings accounts, giving people a chance to build wealth, beat inflation, and save for big goals, like retirement, buying a house, or even early financial freedom. How to start? Step by step. Alright, let's break down how you can start investing in the stock market. Step 1. Learn the basics. Get familiar with terms like stocks, dividends, mutual funds, index funds, etc. You don't need to be a pro, just enough to understand what you're doing. Step 2. Open a demat and trading account. In most countries, you'll need to open a demat for storing shares, and trading account to buy/sell. This can be done through a stockbroker or investing app. Step 3. Set your budget. Decide how much you want to invest. Start small, 500 rupees, $50, whatever works. The key is consistency, not size. Step 4. Choose what to invest in. Beginners often start with index funds or ETFs. They're safer and spread out your risk. Later, you can explore individual stocks. Step 5. Think long-term. Don't chase quick gains. The real magic happens when you stay invested over time and let compounding do its thing. Common mistakes to avoid. Here are a few beginner mistakes to watch out for. 1. Trying to time the market. Hint: no one can do it perfectly. 2. Investing based on tips from friends or social media. 3. Not diversifying your investments. 4. Letting emotions control your decisions. Panic selling is a big one. Tools and resources. Use tools like 1. Stock market simulators. Practice without real money. 2. Apps like Zerodha, Robinhood, Grow, etc. 3. YouTube, blogs, and books like The Intelligent Investor or Rich Dad Poor Dad. 4. Podcasts and newsletters for updates. And that's your beginner's guide to getting started in the stock market. If you learned something new, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a part 2, maybe on how to analyze stocks or build your first portfolio.